Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless reading for you. So, anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested sa private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Sagittarius. What's the energy? Anong kailangan yung malaman ngayon? What's the message for Sagittarius? The Four of Cups. Meron ditong parang yung nalulungkot. Nalulungkot kasi hindi mo pa nakukuha yung gusto mo. Hindi mo pa nakukuha yung goals mo. Hindi mo pa na-achieve yung mga goals mo. Minsan malayo kasi yung tingin natin no? Pero marami tayong dahilan para ipagpasalamat. Marami tayong mga blessings sa paligid natin na pwede nating ipagpasalamat. Hindi na lang natin kasi napapansin yun dahil normal na sa atin 'di ba? Pero minsan, minsan, yan ay isa sa mga pinangarap mo at naging goals mo noon. At ngayong nasa iyo na, minsan nakakalimutan natin na, kailangan maging grateful ako dito kasi nasa akin na di ba? So there's nothing wrong na maghangad pa tayo ng mga marami, ng gusto natin kasi we want to grow That's part of our journey dito sa mundo, to grow, to experience more. But don't forget to be grateful for what you have. Kasi minsan kapag ganun nga, nalulungkot ka kung ano yung wala sa'yo. So, yung joy, yung joy, yung happiness, tinatanggal mo sa sarili mo yan, di ba? So, paano ba tayo makakapag-manifest ng gusto natin kung malungkot tayo at sad tayo at we feel bad about ourselves? So, if grateful tayo, totoo yan, Kapag grateful tayo, mas nagiging happy tayo, mas nagiging thankful tayo for the blessings, and mas nakakapag-harness tayo ng positive energies. And yung positive energies na yun yung nag-a-attract ng good things in life sa buhay natin. Okay? So, that is something that you need to know right now, Sagittarius. If in case na, may mga disappointments kayo sa buhay. Diba? Ibibigay naman sa inyo yan ni universe You have the Nine of Cups. Ibibigay niya yan sa inyo. Hindi nyo kailangang malungkot or parang magtampo. Kasi, it will be given to you in the perfect time. Oo, meron kang wish fulfillment. Kasi minsan nga, we tend to compare ourselves, our lives sa ibang tao. Kanya-kanya naman tayo ng journey. 'Di ba? Bakit mo ikukumpara yung experience ng isang tao na umakyat ng bundok sa experience ng tao na nag-expedition through sa tubig. Expedition sa tubig. Yung nag-cruise ship, 'di ba? Magkaiba 'yon. May mga inconveniences 'yon, magkaiba. Meron mga fulfillment doon, magkaiba. Ang importante is yung experience itself, okay, the journey itself, you are thankful for. Yes, you are thankful for the experience and the lessons na natutunan mo doon sa journey. Okay? You have the Moon. This is your emotions. This is your instinct, your intuition. You have the Queen and the Queen of Pentacles, King of Cups. Meron ka kasing certain goal sa career path mo ngayon na parang feeling mo na pag-iwanan ka na, feeling mo hindi mo na makukuha yon. And alam mo na kailangan nito ng hard work. Kasi yung iba isipin mo, bakit siya? Ang bilis lang niya na-achieve yun. hindi rin naman natin alam kung ano yung kailangan niya pagdaanan bago niya ma-achieve yun, 'di ba? It's just easy to just, post a picture na, oh, you're successful and that. Pero behind that picture, paano nangyari yon, 'di ba? Is something na, it's like a different story. Ibang istorya na yun, 'di ba? So, I see you that ma-achieve mo tong gusto mong mangyari. Kailangan mo lang dito ng dedication. You have to dedicate your time, your energy, your skills. Walang shortcut dito, okay? May mga times kasi na minamadali mo, na makuha mo agad, 'di ba? Pero kasi pag minadali, hindi mo makukuha yung pinaka-best na resulta. 'Di ba? Parang nagluluto ka o minadali mo 'yung niluto mo. Pag na resulta nun, matigas pa yung karne or hindi luto yung yung vegetables or hindi masarap, 'di ba? So, you have to go through the process. You have to enjoy it. Kasi habang nag-e-enjoy ka diyan, nagiging grateful ka sa experience mo, doon mo na nakakapag-generate ka ng positive energy that attracts what you really want. Oh, 'di ba? What else? Ano pang kailangan marinig, malaman ng mga Sagittarius? Lovers, this is commitment. When I see an energy of lovers, it's about commitment. Commitment to what you love, to who you love. You have to be committed. Balance. And also, ibabalance mo yung pagiging practical mo at pagiging delusional minsan, 'di ba? Kasi pag may goals tayo, gusto ko 'to mangyari in 1 year. Ma-achieve ko 'yan. I mean, yes, posible, but the question is, in alignment ba yung actions mo doon sa goals mo para ma-achieve mo siya in 1 year? Kasi kung wala ka namang ginagawang actions, edi imposible yun na mangyari, 'di ba? O baka abutin ka ng 10 years. So, set practical goals. Also have music, yung iba sa inyo, you are musical inclined, nandiyan yung talent nyo, yung skill set nyo. And try also na makinig kayo ng music na may frequency. Kasi each frequency, yung mga frequency na yan, i-check nyo na lang dito sa YouTube. Meron siyang certain frequency for a certain situation. Halimbawa, healing frequency, attracting money frequency, ganon. Makakatulong yan sa inyo. You also have energy of teacher. This is you. This is your energy. Kasi Sagittarius are philosophical. Can be a teacher, mentor, coach. So, yung pagiging teacher mo, you have to apply it in your own life. Okay? Sa sarili mo. Because it will really help you develop your personality, personal development ang atake. Oo. So, there's power, okay? Energy shift. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyong spilled milk. May mga times kasi na parang feeling mo na miss out mga isang opportunity, nagsa-self-pity ka na wala na, hindi ko na makukuha yun. Hindi, wag ka mag-dwell doon. Kasi tapos na yun, no? So, you don't have to worry about what's not with you, no? Bakit mo paproblemahin ng bagay na wala sa'yo? 'Di ba? So, if you want to manifest whatever na gusto mo, mag-start ka sa feeling it. Ano nararamdaman mo kapag nasa iyo na yon? Yun yung i-harness mo sa sarili mo. You will have to let go of your old ways, okay? Yung mga dating gawain mo na alam mo hindi naman na nakakatulong sa'yo, old habits, unhealthy habits, you have to let go of that if you really want to see yourself as someone na fulfilled and successful sa buhay. Okay? Renew the bonds of true friendship and remember their importance. Yes, some of you, meron mga tao na you will reconnect with, like yung mga tao na medyo nag-drift apart na kayo, mga dating kaibigan, pwedeng you will be reconnecting with them, i-ignite nyo ulit yung passion nyo for each other. Kasi you'll never know na itong kaibigan mo na to can help you, no? Or magiging way siya para mas mag-speed up yung progress mo. 'Di ba? And sabi nga nila, don't try not to burn bridges. Kasi pag nag-burn ka na ng bridges, wala na, mahirap nang makatawid doon sa lugar na yon, 'di ba? Or sa area na yon. As much as you can, na try to connect more with other people, yung genuine connection, ha? And explore, discover yourself. There's more to discover about yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.